first, this being a new boat, we had to re-qualify. Every time you get transferred to a different boat, whether it's the same type of boat or not, you have to re-qualify. And this one here is a different boat, much different than the O2. You can put the O2 inside of this and cut it up in small pieces. But here you would have to qualify in each compartment. You go in that compartment and you talk to the torpedo in the forward room, and he'll say, well, you got to know where this is, and then when they turn out the lights on, he'll give you a flashlight and he'll say, shine your light on a certain head valve or JKQC or some valve on the torpedo tube, and that's how you would have to know where things are in the dark if we lost all power. And then you come back to the forward battery and the control room and the after battery, and qualifying each one of them. And then Dave Cohn, the big fellow, took me from through here to be qualified. So that's the second time I qualified in a year. But it was fun, you know, a lot of work. And that's the air manifold is what you have the most problem with. That's your high pressure manifold right there, 245. And you know, like that, there's a safety tank right there. But that's how I came here and got qualified. And on the way out, after we came down through the Windward Passage and through the canal and part way over towards Brisbane, Australia, the yeoman, his name was Mitchell, and I was sleeping in the upper bunk in the chief's quarters. I didn't shift bunks, and that was my second bunk. And he shook me, and some afternoon he said, you can call Mr. Clark Howie now. Mr. Clark was a JG. Yeah, he was. And I don't think he was qualified yet. But I said, well, why can I call Mr. Clark Howard? He said, because he made Ensign. And they was looking for Chief Warren Wilson. And it came back Ensign instead. So, okay, so